Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to download YouTube video in iPhone. Let's go. First of all, open up YouTube mobile app. Then tap and select any YouTube video that you want to download. You can search for any specific video or select one from the home page. Then swipe left on these options at the bottom of the video. You'll see the download button. Just tap on it. Then select the download quality for high-quality unlimited downloads and other useful benefits. You need to get YouTube Premium. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to select the medium quality option. Tap the download button again. Now it will start to download that video finished downloading, so let me show you how to find it and view it. Tap on the U button at the bottom right, then scroll down and tap Downloads. Now you'll be able to see all the videos you've downloaded on YouTube. You can watch these videos offline without needing an internet connection. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.